Alright, guys. Hello! Hello again, should I say. And welcome back to RoStrap Dive. My name is Erados12, and today, you heard me right last time. We're doing it this time. That's right, Tween. So, let me give you an overview of Tween real quick. Hold on, I have to get something. Okay, here's the article. So basically, it's like Tween service, but you know, it's built for more when it comes to tweening and eating the whole thing and everything. The only thing that in regards to Tween service is like many of the other options that Tween service has that this doesn't. So yeah. Anyways, well, you're probably wondering, how does that relate to what we have to do today? Well, I'm about to show you. So the part that I have selected, the goal is to get it up there. So let me show you how that's done. I'm going to go into server, the server side, and I'm going to do local tween, or actually this is what you should do before you get tween. You load enumeration first, which we'll go over next time, of course. Okay, and we'll do enumeration. The next one you want to get, oh wait, I didn't do that right. We went over this in the first episode. Whenever you load a library, you do it like this. That's my mistake. Alright, I didn't do that. So then we'll do local easing functions. Those resources, load library, easing functions. Now the next thing wait, not yet. Here's what we have to do next. You get the tween library next. Now, here's a trick that you might consider using, and it could come in handy. I am dead serious. I use this all the time. What you would do is you do local function get alpha, and you put in the easing as parameter. So then we'll do return enum, or actually enumeration, sorry. Enum is the built-in Roblox thing for the enumeration. And then we'll do easing functions, or is it easing function? Let me check the files, because it's been a while since I've actually done that. Easing function, okay, I got it. And then we do easing dot value. See? Much simpler. All you need is a function and it does its job perfectly without having to put any more code into the script regarding tweening. So the next thing we'll do is, for the tween part, we want to tween it to a certain position. Now luckily, there's a way you can do this. If you want to just tween something without having to use custom parameters, you just do tween. So in this case, we'll do tween. Hold on. I think it's workspace.part. You put the object first, then you put the parameter you want to tween. Similar to the goals regarding the keys, but this time it's a string that you actually get to tween. And then the next thing you'll do is you'll put where you want to go. cframe.new, and then we'll go to 0, 100, or actually put that at 200. 0. And then the next thing we'll do is you put this. Get alpha. And for this one, I want to just do it with a simple tween. Not something that uses Bezier. Yeah. Yeah. A friend of mine from Canada would say that if you ever like speak French regarding the I and the E and the R at the end, instead of saying Bezier, it's Bezier. Like léger, léger. Simple. So in this case, we're not using a Bezier function. We're going to use voila. Now I think I'm going to do this for like maybe 4 seconds. And the next parameter is just like the tween position and tween size parameters from the UI tween functions for size and position and both. So in this case, can it be overridden? False. We're not going to override it. Now, this one also has another parameter that you can use, which is similar as well to what I just said. So if status equals enum.tween status.completed, then here's what we do. Print completed. Now, watch what happens. We're going to do this in run so that it works. Okay, that worked, apparently. But I think I might want to do it with 8 seconds this time. You could do it with any timing you want, really. Yeah, that works. Interestingly enough. So here are all the easing functions in case you don't know what they are. So I'm going to actually go to the easing functions part of this and just show you what I mean. Linear is what it is. Sine is sinusoidal. Sine, you get the idea, it's a trigonometric easing function that has a wave-like pattern, and it's what I used to use a lot in my animations in Crossroads Warfare. Now I mainly use either quad or something similar to quad, like cubic, quart, quint, or deceleration. Now deceleration is a Bezier function. That's right, a Bezier function. Meaning it's kind of like a PF level kind of thing when it comes to animation. They use Bezier functions for their animations a lot back in the day. Acceleration is the opposite of deceleration, of course. It's just like in, basically. Or is it deceleration? I think it's deceleration that's in. And acceleration is out, but slower. Now, if you want to smooth it, you can use smooth or smoother. It's up to you what you want. You also have bounce, which is shocking because I didn't think they would keep bounce, or back, or elastic, or circular, or even exponential for that matter. Now, there's also a spring, which is good too, but there's also soft spring in case you want it to be like smoother and not so, jittery. Reverse back is basically like back, but the opposite way. Ridiculous wiggle. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So apparently my mom just came in here without my permission. It's okay. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Ridiculous wiggle and back. They're kind of weird. But back is just basically reversed. The rev back. Ridiculous wiggle, I haven't tried that one yet, but it sounds funny. Now, sharp is basically like a Bezier function in which is sharp, like it says. So it has a sharp movement to it. Like quick, but, you know, in a way that's kind of like stiff, I guess. And standard, well, it's just standard when it comes to Bezier functions. Anyways, oh, another thing. The standard, acceleration, deceleration, and sharp, those are actually used in material design. Just to let you know. Now, back to what we were doing. So, we have this. Now, I want to show you something else you can do with Tween, which I actually have to use in some of the parts of the API that I make for the animations. And that will be tween.new. So let me show you that. Tween.new. Oh wait, you forgot it has to be completed. Tween.new. And basically what this does is you can put in the value. So I'm going to go with maybe 2 seconds. Get alpha. Sharp. I want to try it. Actually, ridiculous wiggle. And we're going to do something like this. So this is basically how you would, you know, make the system work that you're making for custom Tween, which is a function and then provides the alpha value or x. So we do print x times 90 divided by 90. And this will be in parentheses because remember this is a mathematical operation. Or actually just do 1 over 90. Actually just do 90. Sorry, I forgot. It was supposed to be the other way around. Okay, enough forgetting right now. Alright, let's just get to what we have to get to. So we've got x times 90 divided by 90. Pretty good. Now let's try it. Should come in the output. As you can see there, these are the Tween values, and it literally works. And the part jumped, so I would say we did pretty good here regarding Tween. I think that's all we can cover, but if you want, here's what we can do. What else you can do is wait 2 t stop. Now the part will have to be anchored for this, because remember we're dealing with something else. Okay, stops in midair, as you can see. Now what if I were to do this? Two, and it goes back, as you can see. 2 seconds is what I counted. So it goes back and it goes up. So now we'll do this. Take all that away. Wait. And then we'll do print. Something that you usually will see in this script. So basically I'll just do that. And let's just see what the output says. Okay, did you see that? Because if you did, this is what you got. Anyways, let me explain everything. So, what we did before this was quite simple. We stopped the tweening animation, waited 2 seconds, then resumed it. It basically pauses it, and there's nothing really behind the scenes about it, except for a few pieces of code. But then again, who knows? I haven't looked at the source for RoStrap in a long time. Like that. Anyways, what we did here was we waited for the tween to finish. Then we printed hello world. As you can see up there, it did its job.